Good morning. I am sitting enjoying the fire with my coffee here a little bit this morning before everybody else gets up. Actually, Charity's already up. She's my early riser, but everybody else is still sleeping and I'm getting my quiet time in. I'm going to bring you guys along on our day today. A couple of fun things. Well, actually, tomorrow is going to be Truffle Day. If you guys have followed me for a while, you know that one of our traditions at Christmas is making chocolate truffles for our friends and family as a special treat and as a gift. And so tomorrow is actually the day that we're going to be doing that. So today I need to pull out everything I've collected for it so far and then go to the store and grab the last few things. It is Friday. It is my grocery shopping day. So I'll probably do a combo hang out with me day and grocery shopping haul. I know I need to get white chocolate chips for the lemon truffles. The other thing I need to do is make a test batch of the special flavor. We try to do a new flavor every year. And I got a marshmallow flavoring. And so we were going to try to do a marshmallow flavored truffle. And I haven't done a test batch yet. We got to do a test batch to see if it's any good before we make a bunch. So I am going to try to get a test batch done today and let the kids test that and see if it's worthy of our truffle making this year. And then we have a party to go to, a birthday party this evening. It's supposed to be fun, potluck and dancing. And so it's going to be a fun day all around, and we will just bring you along on the day. You ready to go outside? Go potty. That's what we're here for. Needed a bit more firewood. We were out inside. So also getting some early morning sunshine. Sort of sunshine. It's very foggy. Rainy. Not terribly cold, but rainy and foggy today. You found a ball, huh?
This is a new flavor.
Marshmallow. We'll see if they're good. I've never gotten this extract brand before, but I've heard really good things about Lorian. The Olive Nation marshmallow extract it took too long to arrive. And so I went ahead and got this one. So we'll see if it's good. I printed off our recipes off of my website. I'll have a link to that. But I'm going to do a little batch of the marshmallow truffles, probably, I don't know, a quarter of a batch or something like that. Apparently this flavoring is more, it says 4 times stronger than standard extract. And I would do a half of a tablespoon in a quarter batch because I do 2 tablespoons of extract in a full big batch. So half of a tablespoon is 1.5 teaspoons. I guess I'll start with like half a teaspoon and see if it's really super strength. Here is my sprinkle container. We have lots. Rainbow. We use these usually for the orange truffles. And then these could be for peppermint. And these are the same. These ones are cute too. Let's see. I mean, for marshmallow, I guess we have to do this or this. But we've got lots of these. I like these ones too. Very cute. We need chocolate sprinkles. I usually do chocolate sprinkles on the rum. So we need those. I have these also. These would be good on peppermint too. There's a lot that are, great on peppermint. Oh, this is the same one there. We got to take inventory and then decide what flavor is going to get what sprinkle.
I think the marshmallow should have those ones you're holding.
Yeah, the white. That makes the most sense. No, that wouldn't make as much sense. So, almond, peppermint, marshmallow, orange, lemon, and then we need to get chocolate. for rum. Then here is my extracts container. That looks almost empty. Oh, banana is one that we sometimes do. Imitation maple, not doing that. Caramel, cheesecake, anise for licorice. Okay, lemon extract, we need that, but that's almost empty. And cake batter, we did cake batter truffles last year for wedding cake truffles, because it was right before Autumn got married. All right, almond extract there. That one we're gonna need more of. Orange extract, that one's pretty full. Peppermint is almost gone. I think I have another container of unopened extracts in the pantry downstairs, so I'm gonna have to go down and check and see what I can find. We made cinnamon truffles one year. Those were delicious. We've never made cherry. Malt. Oh, I got this to make like a chocolate malt keto chow with the plain chocolate. We did a hazelnut truffle one year. That was also delicious. Pineapple. This is from making the Hawaiian roll egg white bread using the pineapple extract. There's another cake batter flavor. All right. Oh, and a peanut butter flavor. We did a peanut butter truffle the other year. Was that last year?
Yeah,
I don't know.
We need to do it again. We need
Yeah,
to
those ones. Those ones are so good. Okay, I need to go check downstairs and see what else I have. Okay, I found my other thing of extracts. We got plenty of lemon, plenty of orange. We have one rum, one peppermint. Cake batter for days. All right, so we got plenty of this. We need almond. We need orange. No, we have orange. We need almond. I think that might be it. I've got these the truffle filling hardening up in the fridge, and now I'm getting ready to run out the door to do my shopping and to pick up milk. Heading out to run all of our errands, so I'm getting my electrolytes mixed up. I'm not doing the hot ones right now. I like to, have that when I'm sitting by the fire, sipping on something warm. You can see this is my chocolate bowl, and chocolate chai is completely gone because that's my husband's favorite. I think chocolate raspberry must be his second favorite because this is the last one in here. But those are great for, when you want that warm chocolatiness to sip on. But in the car, I just want to bring my cold electrolytes. So I keep them up in this jar up here. And I'm going to do grapefruit this time. In the winter, sometimes it's harder to remember to stay hydrated just because you're not as thirsty because it's not as warm. But hydration is still important in the winter, and I love that Element makes it easy and delicious for me to get my electrolytes in. So thanks so much to Element for sponsoring, if I can get this on, for sponsoring the video today. They have a special deal for all of my viewers. If you want to get a free sample pack to be able to try 8 of their regular flavors, and the regular chocolate salt is in that pack, you can get that just by using my link, drinkelement.com/indigo, drinklmnt.com/indigo. All you have to do is click that link and place an order for anything on the website, any of the regular, fruity flavors, the chocolate flavors, or the sparkling element. Just place an order and that sample pack will be automatically added for free. Thanks again to Element for sponsoring today. First stop, Fred Meyer with Levi the helper.
And I might be able to do Lego.
You have your money. You earned money working with Dad, right?
Yeah.
Yep, $10 whole. Did you find something to spend your $10 on?
Yeah.
It's only $8, but yeah, that's a pretty good deal. I have not seen these before. They are such a good price, and they are Simple Truth chocolate sprinkles. I love that. I think we'll only need 2. I think we just need 2, but they even have some others like free from. It says free from, but then it doesn't say non-GMO. It's got like beet juice for color and spirulina. Love that. Okay, I think that's all the chocolate chips we need, and we got our sprinkles, we got our almond extract. We do need to get some lemons and some oranges because we got to use the zest for the lemon truffles and the orange truffles.
Lemon and orange?
Lemon and orange.
I love lemon and orange.
I know, they're so good.
Yeah.
And I think that's So yeah, we don't need a whole lot of other stuff. Maybe some apples and bananas like always.
Wait, we already have apples and bananas.
We just have a few of each. We have to have enough to make it through the week.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why?
Because you eat so many of them.
I don't eat that many bananas.
You eat so many bananas. What are you talking about?
I-
I'll show you what I got at Fred Meyer when we get home, but we are picking up milk right now, so dropping off empty bottles and picking up full bottles. Here is everything I got from Fred Meyer. Of course, we got bananas because we always have to get bananas. We looked at the apples, but they were pretty expensive, and so I decided to pass on that. Got a couple of cucumbers. Of course, we got our almond extract that we needed. We got 2 lemons for the lemon truffles. We got to zest those. I'm so excited about these chocolate sprinkles. Got 3 of them. We probably won't need that many, but just to have them on hand for whenever we do need them. We were out of cream cheese, so I grabbed a couple 2-packs. I got navel oranges. These ones were really cheap. The bags were a good deal, so I grabbed that because I know the kids will eat them also. And then these are the chocolate chips that we needed. We needed 8 of the white and 8 of the milk. We already have all the semi-sweet we need, I think. So that is all that there. So that's everything. This is the receipt. The total that I spent was $96.69 at Fred Meyer. Getting going on dipping these truffles. Those are the first marshmallow truffles. We'll see how they turn out. You're the first to try the new flavor. You don't know what it is, correct?
I do not.
Okay.
It's chocolate.
Dang it.
I'm the first. You haven't even tried it?
I tasted some of the filling when I was making it, but I haven't tasted a full truffle yet.
I think I need another. May I have a knife? Cut it in half. I have a first guess.
Hold on.
So my first guess is chocolate chip cookie dough.
Okay, it's an interesting initial guess. What's your not initial guess?
Let's see. Tastes like cookie dough.
Okay, well maybe we should just call it that then.
That's all I got is cookie dough.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's like a solid deliciousness.
It's like a ball of cookie dough
Okay,
with chocolate.
okay. The flavor is marshmallow.
Oh, that makes sense. It's cookie dough. If you rename it cookie dough, everyone will believe you.
Okay.
If you name it marshmallow, they'll go, okay.
It is almost 10:30 now, and I am very ready for bed. I completely failed to take any video of the evening, so we went to the party. It was a potluck, and so I brought little smoky hot dogs in barbecue sauce in an Instant Pot. I used my little 3-quart BB-8 Instant Pot, which is always great for potlucks. So we did that. We had a nice time. They did folk dancing and everyone laughed and had lots of fun. And it was a great birthday party. It was like a sweet 16 birthday party for a friend of the family. So that was really fun. And we are tired out and I'm ready for bed. I know tomorrow is going to be a big day because it is truffle making day, which will probably spill into, at least 2 days, if not more. But I'm going to try to get the bulk of it done tomorrow. Autumn and her husband are coming over tomorrow, and they're going to be helping too. So I have lots of helpers, so hopefully we'll be able to make a really good dent in the truffle making. And I'm going to leave it here for this video. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll just see you again in the next one.